The rhythm of speech, mastering pacing and timing in English storytelling and jokes. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive into an incredibly important but often overlooked aspect of speaking English: pacing and timing. In storytelling and joke-telling, this skill is vital. It's not just about what you say, but how and when you say it. So, let's jump in. Pacing and timing refer to the speed, rhythm, and pauses you use when you're speaking. Pacing is the speed and fluency with which you tell your story or joke. Timing, on the other hand, involves knowing when to pause for effect or to let your audience absorb the information. An important point to remember is that pacing and timing can change the whole impact of your story or joke. They can build suspense, emphasize important points, or create comedic effect. The key to mastering pacing is to vary your speed. Not all parts of your story or joke should be told at the same speed. Here are some tips. 1. Speak slowly and clearly when introducing new characters or settings in a story or when setting up a joke. This allows your audience to fully understand the context. 2. Speed up your pace during exciting or suspenseful parts of your story to convey urgency. 3. Practice reading out loud and observe how your pacing affects the overall flow of the story or joke. Timing is all about the strategic use of pauses. The right pause at the right moment can make a huge difference. Here are some ways to use timing effectively. 1. Pause after introducing a key character or event in your story. This gives your audience a moment to visualize and absorb the information. 2. In jokes, the pause before the punchline is often called the beat. This pause is crucial for the delivery of most jokes. 3. As with pacing, practice is key. Try telling jokes or stories to friends and family, experimenting with different pauses to see what effect they have. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on pacing and timing. Remember, storytelling and joke-telling are forms of art, and your voice is the instrument. So, practice these techniques, play around with pacing and timing, and watch as your spoken English skills take a leap forward. Keep practicing, and see you next time.